Are you an AI content creator and worried about the latest YouTube content policy? Don't worry, you can still make money with AI-generated content. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to navigate these policy changes and build a sustainable, profitable AI video strategy that actually adds value and keeps you monetized using only one platform. Let's start the video. If you take a closer look at YouTube AI policy, you will notice that it doesn't prohibit AI-generated content directly. You can use AI to make the video, but the video needs to be authentic and must have value. So, let's have a look at how we can create YouTube videos using AI and make money on YouTube. First of all, we have to select the niche. You have to select a niche that has educational value and a certain audience. After researching for some days, the book review has the least competition. Look at this channel, he is extremely popular. And you can see that he makes videos with some stock images while he is explaining the book or story. What if I tell you that you can create this kind of video with AI? Yes, you can, and I am going to share the method. So, let's create a book review channel or videos. To create any video, first of all, we have to select the book. Always select popular or trending books. For example, I am selecting Beautiful Ugly by Alice Feeney. You can select anyone. Okay, our book is selected. Now we need the video script. To generate the script, I will use ChatGPT. After coming to ChatGPT, just type, I want to make a book review video on Beautiful Ugly by Alice Feeney. Can you please write the video script for me without visual suggestions? The script length should be around 200 words. I used 200 only for tutorial purposes. If you want to make a longer video, just mention the words here and then hit the send button. And here it is. Our script is ready. This is really a good script. Okay, now we have to generate the voiceover. If you can record the voiceover yourself, then it will be great. However, today, I will use AI to generate the voiceover. This is a very tricky part. If you want to monetize your video with an AI-generated voiceover, don't use any generic text-to-speech. Instead of that, you have to use a synthetic one. It will be best if you clone your own voice. So, which one will be the best option? I am suggesting DupDub. But why? I will tell you later. Let's create the voiceover using DupDub. You will find all the links in the description. Once you are on the DupDub homepage, create an account if you don't have one. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like that. You will find several AI features to create videos, images, and audio. As we want to generate the voiceover first, I am selecting AI voiceover. This is the AI voiceover generator interface. Here, you will find two options, single speaker and multiple speaker. The multiple speaker feature gives you free hand to create a podcast and any type of voiceover that needs multiple speakers. However, I am selecting the single speaker option. Now we have to enter the script here. If you only have the idea, you can generate the script using AI. After selecting the Ask AI to write, select the content type and then enter the topic. The AI will write the script for you. I already have a script, so I am entering here. Once the script is ready, select the voice actor. This is very important. Here, you can see my previously selected voice actor. To change the voice actor, click here, and you will find the biggest AI voice actor library. You can sort them by the categories. You will find almost all the categories here. Next, you can set filters to find the best result, such as language and accents, gender, age, and quality. My suggestion is to use Ultra Voice, because they are the most synthetic voices. Now, listen to some of them, and then select the best one.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl. She was once upon a time in a small village.
Now close your eyes. Take a deep breath and imagine that you are once upon a time in a small village.
If you want a similar voice you have listened to earlier, you can do it from here. After coming here, upload the voiceover clip or provide the YouTube, TikTok, IG, X, or other video link. DupDub will analyze your voice and then provide you with similar sounding voice actors. You can choose from them. Now I will talk about the most important part, the voice clone. Yes, this is the most trusted way to keep your voiceover authentic. Come to the My Voice tab. Here, you can see some of my previously cloned voiceovers. To clone a new voice, click here. Now, we have to enter the name of the voice. After that, Upload a voiceover sample without extreme background noise. You can record using a mic instantly or paste a video link. I am uploading a voiceover file. If your voiceover files contain background noise, turn on this option. In the end, set the voice description like language, accent, gender, age, and style. Once everything is set, hit the Add to My Voice. It will complete the process and clone our voice within a minute. So now we have the most authentic voice actor. Now, if we generate a voiceover with this voice actor, there is no option for repetitive or reuse. Okay, once the voiceover is set, you can listen to the preview.
Alice Feeney's Beautiful Ugly is a dark, twist-filled psychological thriller that explores secrets.
AI voiceover often causes problems with pronunciation and some other issues. Don't worry, DupDub offers us the best tools for modification. First of all, we have alias. If any words don't sound perfect, you can select the word and then click on alias and then enter the substitute text. If this doesn't work, you can use the phoneme option. This allows you to modify your pronunciation perfectly. Another issue with AI voice is the say as issue. Sometimes, we need to pronounce a word alphabetically like that. If the AI doesn't do it automatically, you can select the word and then choose the pronunciation. Next, you can add pauses in the script and set the pause settings. Control the rhythm. Control local speed. Emphasize any word. Add BGM and sound effects, and many more. Once everything is set, click on the Export button. Now select the format and then click here. And here it is. Our voiceover is ready.
Alice Feeney's Beautiful Ugly is a dark, twist-filled psychological thriller that explores secrets, lies, and the fragile masks people wear. The story follows two sisters, though they couldn't be more different. One of them is a glamorous TV star admired by millions, while the other has lived in—
Honestly speaking, this is a perfect voiceover, and it's unique. Okay, our voiceover is ready. Now we will generate the video. Actually, I will create the avatar video which will be used as the presenter like that. In DupDub, you can create a hyper-realistic avatar within a minute. To generate an avatar, select the AI avatar tool from the home page. This is the AI avatar video generator interface. Here, you will find three main options to create avatar videos. First, we photo avatar to turn any photo into a talking avatar. Then we have the motion avatar to create realistic avatar videos. And in the end, the gesture avatar for creating avatar videos with natural gestures. As the motion avatar gives the most realistic vibe, I will select a motion avatar. You will find a vast number of avatars here. Just find and select the best one for you. Once the avatar is selected, we need to enter the audio or voiceover. Here, you will find three options. You can generate voiceover directly from here. Upload any voiceover clip and record your own voice. As we already generated the voiceover, I am uploading the voiceover clip. Once done, click on the Generate Talking Avatar button here. Now it will take some time to generate the video. I am fast forwarding the video. And here it is, the video is ready. Let's have a look.
Alice Feeney's Beautiful Ugly is a dark, twist-filled psychological thriller that explores secrets, lies, and the fragile masks people wear. The story follows two sisters, though they couldn't be more different. One of them is a glamorous TV star admired by millions, while the other has lived in her shadow, carrying scars both visible and hidden.
This is just amazing. It looks like a realistic video. The camera motion and natural gestures make it more realistic and believable. So now you can create this kind of amazing video using DupDub. Now click here to download the video. Once your avatar video is ready, you can add some more B-roll footage or book pages to make it more engaging. And this video won't face any issue in the recent policy update, and your content will be monetizable. So now you can create amazing and monetizable AI video using DupDub. If you want to start your AI content creation, don't forget to try this tool. It has a vast number of AI features, which will help you boost your content creation journey. By the way, you will find the link in the description. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of video creation with the help of AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!